Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, my morning begins here with the hibiscus, especially this one, because this is the Hawaiian sundown hibiscus. Now, I want to say last season, maybe. I'm thinking it was last season. A friend of mine purchased this hibiscus for me maybe 2 seasons ago. But anyway, he purchased this hibiscus for me, and I do love her. And here's some of her flowers. Yeah, she's beautiful. But this season, she have not produced not one flower, not even a bud. So I was looking at her comparing to this one. She just blooming away. But lots of her leaves are yellowing and she got spots on her leaves. So I'm wondering what is going on with her. So I decided to give her some nutrients this morning. Yeah, I'm going to give her some nutrients this morning. Now here's some cuttings I did of her, and there they are. I just put them in the ground with her. They did good. Here's another small one, and there is another one. Now this is a Mexican sunflower. That's what that is. How this one got here, I don't know, but he can stay. He can stay. But today we're gonna give her some nutrients, okay? But listen, guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Alright guys, so this is my hibiscus that have not produced a flower this season. Now, it has produced flowers in the past before, and let's show you what kind of hibiscus it is. I think it's a showdown. It is an Hawaiian sundown hibiscus. Now, I purchased this hibiscus. Well, it was purchased for me by a friend, but he purchased it from Home Depot. Yeah. And as you can see, like, I'm sorry about the sun. Good Lord. Let me see. Alright, that's better. Some of the leaves are yellowing or spotted, and it has produced no flowers. So this is my other hibiscus. I'm trying to think of the name of it. I'm going to put the name of it somewhere up there. But it is just continuously producing flowers, and there's more. And yeah, just continuously producing flowers and more coming in there. Now this one, it produces different color flowers as well. Yeah, like I get yellows and light pinks and reds, and it's continuously producing more flowers. But this other one, she's having a little problem, y'all. So in here is just a banana peel I had, and I'm gonna put some water in here. Yeah, I may have to put more. Alright, that's some of my greens I got from outside. And this is some spent coffee ground. That was from yesterday, y'all. That's yesterday's coffee. So that's what it looks like. Bananas, greens, coffee grounds, and water. Let me spin this baby. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spin it. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's the way she look in there. So this is what I'm gonna put on my hibiscus. Let's go give her some, y'all. I did mix of bananas, coffee grounds and some fresh leaves. Brassicus, that's what that is. Alright, so I'm just going to pour this all around her. And I don't know, I'm going to give her some 511 too. I'm going to hook the girl up this morning. I hope this will help her, make her feel better, give her some energy and strength so she can produce some beautiful flowers. Cuttings I took from her. They doing good. Yep. There's another one over here. So I might as well get this little mama some of this good old super juice and some 511. Get a little 511 in your life, girl. Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to kind of cover this up a little bit because and all I have over here is the big shovel. Well, all I have over here is my 24-cent shovel. My little hard worker here. Alright. So got them all here. Got it all tucked in. So hopefully it'll work out good. And hopefully I get to see some beautiful flowers on this plant before long. Her leaves begin to turn green again. Yeah, I hope so. But anyway, guys, let's move on. There's always something going on in the garden, right? Alright, guys, so here we are at the front of the garden, and I'm going to clean up some of this little bed here because I've decided I'm going to plant some sunflowers and other flowers, especially some morning glories, to climb up those sunflowers. So I'm going to plant them here. Let's get busy. They have sugarcane growing here too. Yeah. I'm going to let it stay. So I tell you what I should have done. I should have moistened the soil. That's what I should have done. Let me see what's in this bag. There's something jump out this bag. It's gonna be terrible. Yeah, but so last season I had a lot of flowers. This is the spot I called my welcoming committee. Yeah. Y'all, I had some names for some stuff, I tell you. Yeah. But it was all in just having a good time in the garden. That's all. That's all. I'm never that serious person about being in the garden. It's nothing more simpler than dropping a seed, y'all. Just drop the seed. You know, just pay attention to your plants. Seriously, they speak. They will tell you when something is wrong. You just look at them. I mean, if your plant is green and beautiful and producing fruits and have beautiful bright leaves, then you know you have a happy plant. And that plant is receiving all the nutrients it needs. But when you look at your plants and they have their head low, their leaves are droopy, and not only that, their leaves don't have a shine on them, you know, when they're supposed to have a shine, okay? If they're supposed to have a shine, they don't have a shine. Yeah, you know something is wrong with your plants. And so that's when you start to give your plant some nutrients. So the difficult part is that many times your plant shows the same symptoms for different problems, and that's why sometimes you have to um, just go through some things to find out what the problem is. So like if your plant needs if your plant is droopy and it don't have a shine to it, so you may think it needs some nitrogen, when really, due to process of elimination, is like, did you water the plant? That's the first thing. And so yeah, just go through the process of what's going on with it. And that's why it is so good to just walk around your plants, get to know your plants. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, go out there and, eyeball them. Eyeball those plants. Yeah. But it is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Oh wow, look at this. Y'all, look at this. You see this? Now my little Q will eat this thing. He will eat it. All right, let's see if he'll eat it. Little Q. I was so shocked when I seen Q eat. She ate a grub. This is the first time I seen her eat a grub. I was so shocked. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let me get all of this grass. I think I'm gonna put some water on this grass. Get this easy. Go get my little hand to it. All right, guys, I'll be back. Jada is here with me, and this is how far we've gotten so far. But yeah, we're gonna get it done. All right, y'all ready? It's gonna look like this. All right, Jada is. You're struggling, Jada?
Yeah.
It's tough, Jada?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's work, huh?
Yeah. And yeah, I wanted to do this. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. This is cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
So we have some of the zinnias that came up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna complete it. We're gonna water this little bed, and then we're gonna drop those seeds. We're gonna drop those seeds. All right, guys. I got some seeds, I got some bulbs, and I have some plants. So this is just some of my sunflower seeds. And here's, I have a lot of seeds, and I have a lot of bulbs. Yeah, there's a lot of bulbs in here. Also, I have bulbs and seeds that I purchased, and of course there's some that I harvest. So let's just get on with it. So I'm gonna plant just a variety of flowers in this little bed here. Now I want to make sure you see me. You see me. Yeah. as I called it last spring, this was the welcoming committee. Yeah, it's welcoming everyone to the garden. Okay, so let me get to this. I'll be back, guys. Right, everyone. Whew, I'm done. All right, guys, here she is. It is all done. It's all done. Yeah, Jada helped me so much today. And yeah, so I stripped some of the bark off of this banana tree, and I'm gonna take that bark and I'll put it in my super juice. Yeah, that's my tip from my buddy Live Farmer 73. Yeah, I got it. But all the seeds are in, and it's watered, and now it's just time to grow. But a couple of my supporters asked me a question about this virus, and I really don't know much about it. I listen to a lot of people on YouTube talk about it, but there's a couple of things that if you want to know about a hurricane, I could tell you about a hurricane. But there's a couple of things I have paid attention to, and that is, one is that Americans, it doesn't matter what color you are, what race you are, we are spoiled. We are spoiled to fast food, and we want it now. We get in those lines, and if they taking too long, we upset, and we just want our food right now. And the suggestions I hear about keeping our hands clean is so true. So keeping our hands clean, but how do we know what that 16-year-old back there is doing? Or are they keeping their hands clean? So I think one of the things that we can help ourselves is just to go back to what our parents did, and that is cook at home. Cook at home. Yeah, your hands are clean. Cook your food. Hey guys, I'm gonna keep everyone who's interested up to date on this little baby, just to know if that little a lot of nutrients, potassium, calcium, they have all kinds of good stuff in that coffee grounds and the green leaves and the banana, which is of course the potassium, and see if that will help her. And if not, we'll try something else. But we're gonna do what we can do to save her. Yeah. But I hope you all have a beautiful Saturday evening. Have a beautiful Saturday evening. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Later, y'all. Get a little Frisia, Miss Frisia.